Have you came in a situation like your Blender interface is completely cluttered and like congested, and you wanted a solution which you can use so that you can use the entire Blender's workspace? So in that case, you are in the right video because I'm going to introduce you a new add-on called Freeflow UI, which will seamlessly increase your Blender workflow. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Welcome back to K&K Visual Productions. I'm Karthik, your host, and today I'm going to introduce you my latest Blender add-on called Freeflow UI, which will increase your Blender workflow seamless. So let's start with the installation. So yeah, before that, if you want to download my add-on, I've given the link in my description. I'm selling this add-on in both Blender Market and Gumroads. I'm just selling this add-on for $5, so please go and check it out. And I have already made a teaser on my add-on and have viewed that teaser link somewhere in the top corner of my video. So let's open a fresh Blender file, something like this. Now once you download my add-on, let's install it as a normal Blender add-on. Go to edit, go to preference, go to add-on, and let's install from disk. And let me just quickly install my add-on. There we go. So now my add-on has been installed. So once your add-on is installed, you can find the add-on in the add-on section, which is named as the UI. So when you click on UI, you get this tab which says Open Freeflow UI. Just click on that. You get few options like viewport or text editor, dope sheet, top bar, outliner, and many more. So what it does is, like for example, if I click on this 3D viewport and click OK, I get this floating tab of our 3D viewport, and which is completely resizable and which can be minimized whenever you want. And also this is completely floatable, so you can just place like reduce the size and place it anywhere you want. And you can even add multiple tabs. So for example, you can just change each tab something like this. So let's add a timeline. Let's reduce the size and keep it here. So either you can change the tab from here itself, or you can change from here. So let's start with why do you need this add-on. So let me just show you an example. Let me open my Blender file. So for example, if you are a small monitor user, or if you are using Blender in laptops like me, you may be feeling this problem like you don't have enough space to work. Like if you are keeping your camera view and your viewport side by side, there's no much space to work. So in this case, what I will do is I will go into the full screen mode of Blender, that is by clicking Control Space. So if you keep your mouse pointer somewhere like here and click Control Space, you can go into the full screen mode, something like this. Which I hope you know that, and you should know if you are using Blender. So once you are in the full screen mode, there's this problem like we cannot use any other tabs. We can use any other tabs, but we cannot use multiple tabs at once in full screen mode. And in this case, what I can do is I can use my add-on, like add a new floating tab, and maybe I can just add a camera here, and I can add a shader editor, something like let's add the shader. So the possibilities are unlimited. You can use this add-on in varieties of cases, and as I said, we can even change the size and keep it wherever we want, something like this. Now we have the camera view, and we have our viewport with plenty of space. Now my second feature is you don't need to always click on the Open Freeflow UI button, because you can add shortkeys. So to add shortkeys, what you need to do is go to the edit, go to preference, and go to key map, and scroll down to window, and scroll down to the bottom, click add new, and let's assign a shortkey. So I'm going for Shift plus F. Then click on this drop down menu and click on none and search for Freeflow. And there we get this wm.freeflow-ui. Click on this, and that's it. Our hotkey has been assigned. Now we don't need to click on this button, so we can just remove this tab by clicking N. Now if we need any other tab, so if you need to add any other tab, all you need to do is just click Shift F, like your shortcut key, and you will get this floating tab. And from here you can just choose any tab you want. So for example, let's click the 3D viewport and just scale it down, and from here also we can just change the tab to any other tab you want. So you can even go to geometry node if you are working with the geometry, or if you are good in coding, you can even go to the text editor, where you can just type the code or something like that. And also, for example, if you suddenly need to use the UV editor, what you will do is you will in most cases, you will just change the tab from here, or you will just directly go into the UV editing, right? But with my add-on, we can just simply use UV editing as the floating tab, something like this. And once our job is done, we can just minimize it, something like this. Is it not that cool? And the third feature of my add-on is our UI, that is our floating tab. So for example, if I add multiple floating tabs, something like this. Now if you save the Blender file, and if you close it, and once you reopen your Blender file, you will get this exact floating tab in your Blender file. That means this add-on can be saved with the Blender file, so you don't need to always reset and rearrange the tabs once again, or each time once you reopen your Blender file, because we can just simply save the tabs with your Blender file itself. So yeah, that's it guys, and I suggest you go and check out my add-on, and so go and purchase my add-on if you like it, and please share this video with your Blender friends. And if you have any further clarifications, feel free to comment down in the comment section, or you can just directly DM me in Instagram. I will give my Instagram ID in my description, and the links for downloading my add-on also in my description down below. So yeah, that's it. I think this is enough. That's it guys. So once again, you're watching KNK Visual Productions. I'm Karthik, and I'm signing off. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.